Introducing the Falcon 4G COMBO DELUXE V3. Now with an even faster processor, improved antenna gain, and even more accessories. This simple setup, plug-and-play internet solution, delivers strong reliable internet connection for your motorhome or caravan, all without requiring any installation or holes being drilled. Everything packs away into the carry case, protecting from scratches and bumps. Inside the case is the Falcon 4G combo router with the state-of-the-art, new and improved processor for even faster Wi-Fi delivery. Along with the two external antennas, now with the improved 6 dB gain for an even stronger 4G connection. A 12-volt power supply to power the router when camping off-grid, and a 240-volt power supply for when powering the system off mains power. Both power supplies come in lengths of 2 meters and 5 meters to offer more flexibility on where you can position the system. The system can also be powered off of USB using the USB to USB Type-C power lead. A 12-volt splitter is also provided in the kit, in case you only have a limited number of 12-volt sockets in your van. There is also an Ethernet lead, so you can create a hard wire connection between your router and your device for an even stronger connection. A SIM adapter ensures that whatever SIM card you're using is the correct size for the router. And multiple mounting options, with 2 cable ties for mounting the router to a pole, suction cups for mounting to smooth surfaces, and an adhesive pad for a firmer mounting option. Setting up the router is simple. Put your SIM card into the SIM adapter. The router is unlocked, meaning it will take a SIM card from any provider, pay as you go or contract. Then insert the SIM card into the router. Attach the antennas to the router by screwing them on. Then choose how you are going to power the router. The router can be powered off 12 volt if you are camping off-grid, 240 volts if you are powering it off a mains power supply, or USB, which allows you to plug the router into a power bank and use the system portably. If you are powering the router off of your 12 volt supply, but only have a limited amount of 12 volt sockets, you can use the 12-volt socket splitter provided. Once the system is powered, then mount the router to the outside of the van, using the suction mounts on the windows, cable ties for pole mounting, or you can use the adhesive pad if the exterior of the van is not suitable for the suction mounts. The system goes on the outside of your van collecting the available 4G signal, then translates it to Wi-Fi and boosts the Wi-Fi inside so you can connect your devices. The system is IP66 waterproof, so you can leave it out in all weathers. The power lead is thin and durable, allowing you to close the window on the cable, keeping the van insulated. Now you can connect your devices with your unique password. You can connect up to 10 devices to your system, so make sure to connect your smart TVs, phones, tablets and laptops too. Once connected, your device will automatically connect to your Falcon system whenever it is turned on without having to log in again. Using the Ethernet cable allows you a hard wired connection between the router and one of your devices for an even stronger connection, so you can connect directly to your smart TV or a laptop. Without requiring the system to be installed, you can use the system outside of your motorhome or caravan as well, whether you are working at a park bench, looking for a secure and reliable internet connection while staying in a hotel, or even replace your home internet system. The Falcon Portable 4G system can go where you go, all without requiring any installation or holes being drilled. And once you are moving on to your next campsite, simply pack the system down into the carry case and you're ready to go, knowing you have everything you need and protecting your system from any damage in transit. So if you are looking for a simple setup, plug-and-play internet system that requires no installation, the Falcon 4G Combo Deluxe is the system you are looking for. Life made easy by Falcon.